Hello students, to learn the factor theorem, first of all we see the example from the 4th standard. 21 divided by 7. 21 is the dividend and 7 is the divisor. Now do this division vertically. 7 threes are 21. 21 minus 21 means 0. Remainder is 0. Remainder is 0, so that 7 is factor of 21. If we factorize 21 in prime factors, we get 7 into 3. That means 7 is factor of 21 and 3 is also factor of 21. That means 7 and 3 both are the factors of 21. Below that I have written divisor is factor of dividend. When remainder is 0, the divisor is factor of dividend. Now see the next example. 23 divided by 7. 23 is dividend, 7 is divisor. Now divide vertically. 7 threes are 21. 3 is the quotient and the product of 7 and 3 is 21. Write down below 23 and subtract. 2 is the remainder. Here remainder is not 0. That's why 7 is not the factor of 23. If we factorize 23 in prime factors, we do not get 7 or 3 as the factor of 23. From these two examples, what is the conclusion? If remainder is 0, then divisor is factor of dividend. If remainder is not 0, then divisor is not the factor of dividend. Factor theorem. Just we have seen the division. If 21 is divided by 7, then remainder is 0. Therefore, we say that 7 is a factor of 21. In the same way, when a given polynomial is divided by the divisor polynomial, and if the remainder is 0, then we say that divisor polynomial is the factor of dividend polynomial. See the example 1. If p of x equal to x cube plus 4x minus 5 is divided by x minus 1, then find the remainder and hence determine whether x minus 1 is a factor of p of x or not. Solution. First of all, write down the given polynomial, that means dividend polynomial. First of all, p of x is equal to x cube plus 4x minus 5. This is the dividend. Then which is the divisor? Divisor is x minus 1. While we are learning about the remainder theorem, we have seen that divisor is x minus 1. Then put the value x is equal to plus 1 in the given polynomial. Now put x is equal to 1 in the dividend polynomial. P of 1 equal to 1 whole cube plus 4 into 1 minus 5. 1's cube means 1. 4 into 1 means plus 4 minus 5. Plus 1 plus 4 means plus 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. As per the remainder theorem, remainder is 0 here. And we have seen that if remainder is 0, then divisor is factor of dividend. In this case, the remainder is 0, so that the divisor x minus 1 is a factor of p of x. Now see the example second. If p of x is equal to x cube plus 4x minus 5 is divided by x plus 2, then find the remainder and hence determine whether x plus 2 is factor of p of x or not. P of x is equal to x cube plus 4x minus 5 is dividend and x plus 2 is divisor. First of all, write down the dividend polynomial. P of x is equal to x cube plus 4x minus 5. Divisor is x plus 2. Divisor is x plus 2. Then opposite value of plus 2 is minus 2. To find out the value of this dividend polynomial, we have to substitute x is equal to minus 2 in place of x. Now to the next line, p of minus 2 is equal to minus 2's cube plus 4 into minus 2 minus 5. P of minus 2 is equal to minus 2's cube means minus 8 plus 4 into minus 2 means minus 8 minus 5. And the sum of all these is minus 21. Minus 8 means minus 16, minus 16 minus 5 means minus 21. As per the remainder theorem, remainder is equal to minus 21. That means remainder is not 0. Remainder is not equal to 0. If remainder is not 0, then divisor is not the factor of the dividend. That's why the conclusion write down below. X plus 2 is not a factor of p of x.